Hello students, in this video I am going to explain named reactions of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Reaction number 1, diazotization reaction. In this reaction, aniline is treated with sodium nitrite and HCl under ice cold condition, and benzene diazonium chloride is formed. When this is heated with warm water, then phenol plus N2 plus HCl, this is formed. So suppose you are asked how will you convert aniline into phenol, then you can apply this reaction. Next reaction, Dow process. In this, chlorobenzene is treated with sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure, and nucleophilic substitution takes place. Sodium phenoxide ion is formed, which upon treating with HCl gave rise to phenol. So if you are asked how will you convert chlorobenzene into phenol, then you can use this reaction. Next is Remamer Timing reaction. When phenol is treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide solution and chloroform CHCl3, then this intermediate is formed. Proton and hydroxide ion released in the form of water, and one orthohydrogen combined with one chlorine and get released in the form of HCl, and remaining CHCl2 group gets substituted. When this intermediate is treated with NaOH, then two chloride ions and two sodium ions get combined and released in the form of 2 molecules of NaCl, and then you get this intermediate. Two hydroxy groups get attached. These two hydroxy groups get substituted with these two chloride groups get substituted with two hydroxide ions. Now this is highly unstable, so this unstable intermediate immediately loses water and changes into aldehyde group. This on treating with acidic medium forms salicylaldehyde. This is how you get your product salicylaldehyde. The IUPAC name should be orthohydroxy benzaldehyde or orthohydroxy benzene carbaldehyde. Next is Williamson synthesis. This reaction only primary alkyl halides can do. So when primary alkyl halides are treated with sodium alkoxide ions, then ethers are formed. This is the primary alkyl halide, and here SN2 attack of alkoxide ion on primary alkyl halide occurs. This is very important point. So I'm taking one example. Suppose you are asked how will you convert chloromethane into methoxy tertiary butane. This is CH3 group. Then you can treat this chloromethane with sodium tertiary butoxide ion, and this NaNCl will be released, and you will get your desired product, which is methoxy tertiary butane, or if you write the proper name further, methoxy 2-methyl propane. So this is how this reaction goes on. But here the condition is this alkyl halide should be primary, not secondary or tertiary. The fifth one is Friedel-Crafts reaction. In Friedel-Crafts reaction, phenol react with chloroform, and in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, then orthohydroxytoluene and parahydroxytoluenes are formed.